We're live.
Oh,
welcome. Welcome to today's Analytics and Data Oracle User Community TechCast. Hi, I'm Charlie Berger. I'll be one of your skippers today. And our other skipper is Roger Cressy. Roger, are you out there?
Hi, everybody. I'm here. Yeah. Can't you see me in my dirty
There you are.
pants?
Hey, you have a bigger boat than I have. What's going on?
Yeah, well, you know, got to be bigger and better. I'm in America now.
Yeah. So we're going to be your host for today. We're going to walk you through a few great presentations so that we've lined up. Given everything is going virtual these days, we've decided that it's better just to get together for these quarterly Analytics and Data Oracle User Community TechCast Days that we have, and we've lined up a great one for you today. We'll go through the contents of this in a second, but there are great ones for tomorrow and the next day. So there's your 3 days of 3-hour tours. And so we get to go on first. And today we'll have first up Phil Godfrey from the United Kingdom's National Health Services. So I should have added the UK NHS. He's over in England. You'll be able to tell from his accent.
Yeah, so he speaks with a proper accent. Yeah.
Yes, he speaks proper English. Next we have Barry Starkey, who I've worked with for a while now. He's also in the UK, and he's doing some amazing things using machine learning at Northgate Public Services. So he'll tell you about what's going on there. A little bit later on, we have a guest from France, Philippe Lyon, whom many of you know. He's the product manager for Oracle Analytics Cloud. And then after that, we're going to batting cleanup, if that translates for some of you. Roger, does that work? Batting cleanup?
Yeah. Well, I understand it.
All right. So batting cleanup is Sandesh Rao, who's going to be talking about the ML, kind of a little bit different angle here, behind the ML behind the autonomous database, because everyone's always curious about that. So we'll be your skippers today. I don't know how many people go back to one of my favorite shows here on the show, but I'm the guy on the left. I'll be Charlie Berger here. I'll be your first mate. You can also call me Skipper. That's good too. Or Roger calls me Uncle all the time. And then Roger's going to be the other skipper, or he looked better as Alan Hale as the skipper on this show. So we're going to go walk you through the function, the story here. But we want to just talk about the 3 days. Roger, you want to talk about the 3 days?
Yeah, so today, obviously in my mind, partly because I'm involved, it has to be the most important day, Machine Learning Day. But obviously, Charlie's already mentioned the schedule today, so I won't harp on that. We've got 2 other days, though, Spatial and Location Intelligence Day and Analytics Plus Day, and those are focusing, obviously, in those particular streams. They also will start at 10 and effectively end at 1 Eastern time. And the people coming on all of the days are folk who generally we've been familiar with from other conferences and that we've run live, and they're now taking the time to honor us with their presence in the virtual world. So thanks to everybody who's participated in the next few days. So yeah, tomorrow Hans Wiemann will be your host for the day, and then on the 9th it'll be hosted by Dan Vlamis and Edelweiss Kammerman. So look forward to it is a fast paced 3 days, and the beauty of this is choose the moment when you can. If you're got a lot of work on and you can just take an hour, it's still worth doing, and come and join us and share the knowledge.
And I should say, we're going to have these things uploaded to YouTube and chopped up into chunks, so you'll be able to sort of watch them in their segments. So moving along, I wanted to give it a real quick commercials. Make sure we have time to get our first speaker, Phil, on the line here. But what is the Analytics and Data User Community? It used to be called BIWA, B-I-W-A. We've changed the name because nobody knew what a BIWA was. So now it's the Analytics and Data User Community. There are a number of different ways to participate. We'll cover some of this a little bit later on. There's these bi-monthly, or what's called twice, every other week, TechCast. These are all posted on YouTube. We have a Slack channel I'm going to cover in just a minute. That's something we're excited about. And we have the newsletter there. So you can just click on that. Actually, that's the old newsletter link. We'll get the new one, Carrie, if we have that, or I can post that in a little bit later on. I just caught that. So why would you join the Analects and Data Oracle user Slack, which is right there, andouc.slack? Why would you join this? Well, to get in touch with peers, speakers, other local user groups. You can ask questions. You can contribute to the panel discussion on Thursday. So today, actually discussion on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, actually. So today and tomorrow and the next day, if you have any questions or anything, you can also put them in Slack, and it'll be a little bit more persistent there. You can also suggest other TechCast topics and such, and that's how you join, okay? You can just go to the bit.ly andouc-slack. We'll repeat this a few times in the questions and answers. We appreciate if you do a quick little hello, like, hey, I'm here, like we always do on Slack. And if that's it, Roger, are we forgetting anything, or we should turn it over to our next speaker? I think you're going to.
No, I think in fact